Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this 2018 Range Rover Velar R-Dynamic SUV. On the exterior of this Range Rover Velar, some of the features include lane departure warning, emergency braking system, and rain-sensing windshield wipers. Inside, you'll find comfortable, beautiful leather seating for 5 with heated and cooled front seats, black contrast sliding panoramic roof, and a voice recognition system. The 10-inch touchscreen display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth to keep you connected. This 2018 Range Rover has less than 37,000 miles and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.